Here we're unboxing 2012 Chevrolet Malibu Maxpeedingrods OEM front struts. In the box you'll find fully assembled struts with a spring, shock, and top hat, all assembled and ready for installation. These are the tools you'll need for this job: a large electric impact, a torque wrench, a 22mm socket, a medium extension bar, an 18mm socket, a 14mm wrench, and an 18mm wrench. Disassembly of the OEM struts. To remove the old OEM struts, use the 22mm socket with a breaker bar or impact to break the lug nuts loose. Lift the car with a car lift or floor jack and secure it with the jack stands on the appropriate jack points. Remove the wheels. Then, using the 18mm socket to remove the bolts holding the strut to the knuckle. Use a breaker bar if needed. Remove the sway bar link. Then remove the strut mount bolts with a 14mm wrench. Take the old OEM strut out, then place the new Maxpeedingrods OEM strut in its place. New OEM strut installation. Feed the 3 top mount studs through the strut tower and finger tight the 14mm nuts, using the 14mm wrench to secure the top mount nuts, torqued to 50 Nm. Line up the knuckle and bottom of the strut with the holes and reinstall the bolts, using the 18mm socket and wrench to secure the strut to the knuckle, torqued to 110 Nm. Reinstall the sway bar link using the 18mm socket, torque to 80 Nm. Reattach the brake hose to the bracket. Reinstall the wheels. Lower the vehicle back on the ground and torque the lug nuts to spec.